Alright, I'm going to try to make this video short and quick. Here is the wiper switch out of my 2016 F-150. And what it was doing to me is it won't go off. It stays in the slowest intermittent mode, as you want to call it. I got one from Amazon. Let's hope they sent me the right one. Scissors. Where are my scissors? So far, so good. Okay. Looks close. Should just pop right in. Let's see. I'm going to make sure it's set to off. And let's go to the truck and get this thing in. Okay, I was going to show you how to take this apart, but I got interrupted when I started. I had a visitor, and I almost decided not to make a video, but now I've done changed my mind. So, in order to get this old one out, there's 3 screws on this bottom plastic piece here. It's it said 5.5 millimeter. I ended up using, what did I use? A 7/32 will fit it. Take a bite on it. And you gotta have your wheel turned all the way one way to get to this tab, and all the way the other way to get to one on the other side. And then once you separate this, the old one just slides right out. And it should slide right in, just like that. Got a little T10. Got a little T10 screw, 2 screws that hold it in. Put that in. Before I snug it. Just to stay in there. See if I can do this without dropping it. Snug it. I'm going to make sure everything seems to work. Now, get this off. See if I can get this down on here. Just wonder how hard that's going to make life on me. It'll be easier to get up in here. Okay, there's a rubber boot on the other side here that goes around the column shifter. Got to make sure that is back in place, or they don't want to go together. Go. I got the bottom up where the keyhole is lined up with the hole in the plastic, and hopefully I can snap that and that. And now I hope to put in my screws with no trouble. Don't even know if you can see what I'm doing right now, but I'm putting the 3 screws in at the bottom. I'll show you here in a minute. Like I said, I'm making this video quick and on the fly. I wanted to make a video of this and got interrupted. Almost didn't make the video. There we go. 7/32 socket doesn't get a really hard bite. I guess the good part is you can't over tighten it. Anyway, alright, let's see if I got a shifter or a turn signal. Yes I do. Yes I do. Alright. looks like. Turn it all the way up. Go down one. Okay. Okay. Now we have it off. And hopefully it doesn't wipe. Oh, the AC feels good. Okay, I think we've got it. So that's how you replace the wiper switch on a 2016 F-150. Pretty easy, pretty quick. I mean, we're talking, if I didn't take the time to make a video, it would have taken me 5 minutes after rounding up all the tools, not counting getting the tools. So it's pretty easy. So thanks for watching.